Hey there, digital trailblazers. Welcome back to Moneymaker Energy, your go-to hub for all things tech, business, and making that sweet moolah online. Today, we're delving into the world of artificial intelligence and discovering how you can leverage ChatGPT to not just chat but also cash in. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey to turn words into wealth. 1. Meet ChatGPT. All right, let's start at square one. What's ChatGPT, you ask? It's like having a digital wordsmith at your fingertips. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is powered by the GPT 3.5 architecture, which means it's one heck of a language model. But how can this linguistic wizardry translate into dollar signs for you? Stick around, we're just getting started. 2. Writing for profit. Now let's talk about turning your words into cold, hard cash. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just someone with a way with words, ChatGPT can be your writing sidekick. We'll explore platforms like content mills, freelancing websites, and even creating your own blog or ebook. Spoiler alert, the possibilities are endless, and we've got the strategies to make it rain with your prose. 3. Content creation and social media. In the age of content consumption, quality content is king. We'll unravel the secrets of using ChatGPT to create engaging social media posts, captivating YouTube scripts, meta, right? And attention-grabbing articles. Get ready to supercharge your content game and attract eyeballs. Because where there are eyeballs, there's money to be made. 4. ChatGPT and marketing. Calling all entrepreneurs and marketers. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for crafting killer marketing copy, email campaigns, and product descriptions. We'll explore how businesses are tapping into the power of AI-generated content to boost conversions and sales. If you're in the online business game, you can't afford to miss this. 5. Building chatbots for profit. Now let's get technical. ChatGPT can moonlight as your virtual assistant or even an automated customer service representative. We'll break down the process of building AI-powered chatbots that can serve your business or clients. Spoiler alert, chatbots are not just cool, they're also a goldmine waiting to be tapped. 6. Niche monetization. Here's where things get interesting. We'll explore niche markets and how ChatGPT can help you create content or products that cater to specific audiences. Whether it's generating content for gaming, finance, or lifestyle niches, we've got the blueprints to turn your passion into profit. 7. Online courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in a particular field, ChatGPT can help you share your knowledge with the world. We'll dive into the world of online courses and ebooks, exploring platforms, marketing strategies, and the art of packaging your expertise for maximum financial gain. 8. Challenges and caveats. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll discuss the ethical considerations, challenges, and potential pitfalls of using AI for profit. It's not all rainbows and unicorns, and we want to make sure you're well prepared for the journey ahead. And there you have it, future AI entrepreneurs, a comprehensive guide on how to use ChatGPT to turn your words into online gold. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech-savvy content, and share this video with your fellow digital pioneers. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and most importantly, keep making that money online. Cheers!